Hey, I'm Chris Perras, Chief Investment Officer at Oak Harvest Financial Group here in Houston, Texas. And this is our weekly Stock Talk podcast, keeping you connected to your money. So we're going to do a little ad lib this week because it's spring break here in Houston and the rest of Texas. And I'm taking off with my family here in about 24 hours to head to Disney. So it's been a very busy week here in the markets. A lot of disruptions in the banking system. As most people have been watching the financial news, there was a run on a bank out on the West Coast called Silicon Valley Bank. We covered a little bit of this issue late last year in a podcast and video that you can click on here and watch. It was what keeps me up at night. And we weren't talking about the banking system right there. We were talking about the Federal Reserve and their balance sheet and how they had actually had a lot of unrecognized losses in portfolios that they hold in treasuries and mortgage-backed securities. This has actually flowed over to a lot of the banks who had deposits flowing into their balance sheets in a serious way over the last 2 years with interest rates so low. Silicon Valley Bank and a few others went out and they bought mortgage-backed securities and treasuries just like a lot of other people. And with interest rates rising so quickly with the Federal Reserve, they were showing some unrecognized losses on their balance sheet. Silicon Valley Bank actually went out into the market last week and sold a lot of these securities at losses. We're going to go out and raise some money to shore up their balance sheet. And a couple of venture capitalists went out there, stated their intention to pull their deposits and created a run on the bank. We're going to cover Silicon Valley Bank and what it means to your money in a lot more detail in our weekly market update that goes out today. This is Monday, March 13th. You can click on that link below and catch up on that reading. So we'll go into a lot more detail there. If you're feeling uncomfortable with the volatility in the stock and bond markets, give us a call here and speak to one of our advisors. You can reach us at 877-896-0040. We're here to help you on your financial journey into and through your retirement years. From the whole team here, Jessica, Troy, James, myself, Charles, everyone on the administrative and concierge staff, we hope you have a blessed weekend.